Dead batteries happen without warning, leaving you stranded at the worst possible moments on the road. Best jump starter battery pack options deliver power, portability, and safety features to restart your vehicle quickly and confidently anytime you need it most. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. NOCO Boost Jump Starter. The NOCO Boost Jump Starter stands out as a compact yet highly capable solution for emergency battery situations. Delivering 1,000 amps of peak power, it's designed to jumpstart vehicles with engines up to 6.0-liter gas and 3.0-liter diesel, making it a practical choice for most cars, SUVs, and light trucks. What makes this unit particularly appealing is its ultra-safe technology, which includes spark-proof connections and reverse polarity protection, ensuring safe operation even for beginners. Beyond jump-starting, it doubles as a portable power bank, capable of charging smartphones, tablets, and other USB-powered devices, adding versatility for travel or roadside emergencies. The integrated 100-lumen LED flashlight with multiple modes, including SOS and strobe, enhances its utility in low-light situations. Despite its power, the device remains lightweight and compact, easily fitting into a glove box or emergency kit. With a quick recharge time of around 3 hours and the ability to perform multiple starts per charge, the NOCO Boost delivers dependable performance without bulk. It's an ideal choice for drivers who value safety, portability, and multifunctional use in a single device.
Number 2. The Clore Automotive Jump Starter. Particularly the JNC 660 model is built with a strong focus on raw power and reliability. Known for its 1,700 peak amps and 425 cranking amps, it delivers consistent performance for demanding jump-starting tasks. Unlike lithium-based compact units, this model uses Clore's Performer battery technology, which is specifically engineered to provide extended cranking duration and a longer service life. This makes it especially suitable for professionals, mechanics, or anyone who frequently deals with dead batteries. Its industrial-grade construction adds to its durability, ensuring it can withstand rugged environments in repeated use. While it is bulkier compared to newer portable jump starters, this size contributes to its robust output and dependable performance. The unit is designed to handle multiple jump starts on a single charge, making it reliable during emergencies or extended use scenarios. Though it lacks modern extras like USB charging or digital displays, it excels where it matters most, delivering powerful and consistent starts. For users prioritizing strength and longevity over portability, the Clore Automotive Jump Starter remains a trusted and proven option.
Number 3. WOLFBOX 4000A Jump Starter. The WOLFBOX 4000A Jump Starter is a high-performance device designed for versatility and modern convenience. Equipped with a powerful 88.8 watt-hour battery and 4,000 amps of peak current, it can handle a wide range of 12V vehicles, including larger engines up to 10 liters. This makes it suitable not only for cars, but also for trucks, boats, and other heavy-duty vehicles. One of its standout features is the HD LCD display, which provides clear, real-time information about battery status and operational modes, making it user-friendly and intuitive. The inclusion of a 65W USB-C fast charging port is a major advantage, allowing the device to recharge fully in just about 1.3 hours, while also supporting laptops and other high-power electronics. The one-touch boost function simplifies operation, especially in low-voltage situations. Additionally, the built-in LED flashlight with SOS and strobe modes enhances safety during emergencies. Despite its powerful capabilities, the unit remains portable and travel-friendly. Combining speed, power, and smart features, the WOLFBOX 4000A is a well-rounded option for users who need a reliable and multifunctional jump starter.
Number 4. ZEVZO ET03 Jump Starter. The ZEVZO ET03 Jump Starter delivers impressive power and versatility, making it suitable for a wide range of vehicles. With a peak current of 4,000 amps, it can easily start engines up to 8.0-liter gas and 7.0-liter diesel, covering everything from motorcycles to trucks and even boats. One of its most notable features is the ability to start completely dead batteries at 0 volts, thanks to its advanced force start function integrated into the clamps. This capability can be crucial in extreme situations where other jump starters may fail. The device also functions as a portable power bank with a 74 Wh capacity, allowing simultaneous charging of multiple devices through its dual USB ports. Its 500 lumen LED flashlight provides strong illumination and includes multiple modes for emergencies. An LCD screen displays battery status clearly, while its wide operating temperature range ensures reliability in both hot and cold conditions. With up to 50 jump starts per charge and long standby time, the ET03 is built for dependability. It's an excellent choice for users seeking power, flexibility, and reliable emergency performance.
Number 5. GOOLOO GT4000S Jump Starter. The GOOLOO GT4000S Jump Starter is engineered for speed, power, and advanced charging capabilities. Featuring a 4000A peak current, it can start nearly all 12V vehicles, including large engines up to 12.0-liter gasoline and 10.0-liter diesel. This makes it one of the more powerful options available, suitable for heavy-duty vehicles like RVs, trucks, and tractors. One of its standout features is the 100-watt fast charging capability, allowing the unit to recharge Bill Camel in about 1.2 hours. Impressively, even a quick 5-minute charge can provide enough power for a jump start, which is extremely useful in urgent situations. The device also doubles as a high-speed charger for laptops and other electronics, including MacBooks, thanks to its Type-C port. A 3.2-inch LED display offers clear and detailed information about battery status and operation, enhancing usability. Built-in safety features protect against common risks like overcharging and short circuits, ensuring safe operation. Despite its powerful performance, the unit remains compact and easy to carry. The GOOLOO GT4000S is ideal for users who need maximum power combined with fast charging and modern functionality. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.